In a world where creativity knows no bounds, imagine turning your words into stunning animations with the help of AI. It's time to bring your ideas to life without needing any professional skills. In today's video, we'll explore the best 100% free AI tools for transforming your text into animated videos. No more spending on expensive software, just pure unlimited creativity. Stay tuned for a game-changing adventure in animation. Yes, you heard that right. Today we're diving into the world of AI-powered tools that can take your text and instantly turn it into an animated video, completely for free. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone looking to get creative, these tools will help you create professional quality animations from scratch. So let's jump in and explore these mind-blowing tools that will make your creative process so much easier. Tool number 1, Pictory. Our first tool is Pictory, a super easy to use platform for turning your scripts into animated videos. Pictory allows you to paste any text, and the AI instantly generates scenes based on that text. With this tool, you don't need animation skills. Just enter your script and watch the magic happen. Here's how you can use it. Step 1. Sign up for Pictory for free. Step 2. Enter your script in the text box. Step 3. Choose a theme or style that suits your script. Pictory will create an animated video, and you can edit and adjust scenes to your liking. So simple, right? The free plan allows you to create up to 3 videos per month or 15 minutes with basic features. It's perfect for beginners. Tool number 2, Animoto. Next up is Animoto, a fantastic tool for creating animated slideshows and short videos from text. It's designed for beginners and doesn't require any animation experience. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Go to Animoto and sign up for their free version. Step 2. Choose a template that fits your style. Add your text, and Animoto will automatically turn it into an animation with transitions, effects, and even background music. The free plan has a watermark, but it's still a great way to get started with animated text-to-video creation. Tool number 3, Capwing. Another tool to think about is Capwing, an amazing free online editor that makes it simple to convert text into animated videos. It's an excellent platform for users of all skill levels. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Sign up for a free Capwing account. Step 2. Upload your text or script. Step 3. Choose animations or effects from the library. The best part? You can also add your voiceovers, music, and images to the video, giving it that personal touch. Capwing's free plan allows you to export videos with no watermarks and up to 7 minutes in length, perfect for simple animation projects. Tool number 4, Lumen 5. Now let's look at Lumen 5, a tool that helps you create animated videos from articles or scripts. It's powered by AI, and it automatically chooses the best visuals and animations to match your text. Here's a quick guide. Step 1. Sign up for a free Lumen 5 account. Step 2. Paste in your text or link to an article. Step 3. Lumen 5 uses AI to generate a video with animated visuals, music, and text overlays. You can tweak the scenes, add or remove elements, and adjust the timing. Even on the free plan, you can create high-quality animations and use a range of customization options to make your video stand out. Tool number 5. InVideo. Last but not least, we have InVideo, a powerful AI tool that's perfect for creating animated videos from text. It's simple, intuitive, and works great for creating engaging animations. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Sign up for InVideo's free plan. Step 2. Choose from a wide selection of templates for your text-to-video project. Step 3. Enter your script and choose your preferred animation style. InVideo's AI will generate a stunning animation for you in minutes. With the free version, you can create up to 60 videos per month, making it an awesome tool for regular content creators. And there you have it. 5 amazing, 100% free AI tools that will help you transform your text into animated videos. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, these tools make the process simple, fast, and super fun. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment telling us which tool you'll be using, and subscribe to the channel for more creative content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.